Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change kilometers to miles on Waze. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to change kilometers to miles on Waze, first head over to the Waze app. And then when you're in the Waze app, tap on the menu button in the top left hand corner of the screen. Next, tap on settings. On the next menu, tap on the first option, which is general. And here you have the option, second one down, that says distance units. So you can just swipe this one from kilometers to miles or miles to kilometers, depending on which is your preference. And that's all it takes to change kilometers to miles on the Waze app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.